to Vienna University in the field of mechanical engineering, and I have several years of experience in the field of smart structured materials, and that's why I found a combination of architectures with mechanical engineers, and our top priority is to find a way to find what is the best solution for finding an intelligent air conditioner, you know, and in order to have a more efficient, intelligent air conditioner, is like when the person is sitting in somewhere, the air conditioner will specify and realize that yes, there is a heat in this room, for example, and that's why it will start working, and then but in a really efficient way, okay? And that's why I found it I found it for myself really interesting during the last 10 years that I have been working in the smart structured materials.
Hello everybody, my name is Arash Rangni Atyapan. Ich study, it's a long enough. I study civil engineering in master.
Hi, I'm Mohammad Hassan Ahmadi. First up there.
Yeah.
I'm a master student in civil engineer. I'm interested in this topic because really very important in civil building and for environment and price.
Hello everybody, I am Hossein Raskutaj and I like this topic and I work in this topic.
I'm from Iran.